SME owners are doing it wrong. Here's why and how to fix it. So there are three main areas that I find that SME owners struggle with. And the first is micromanaging. They want all the approvals to come through them and they want to make the decisions on everything. This not only causes bottlenecks, but creates staff frustration and stops your business from growing. If everything has to run through you, nothing is going to be able to run without you. The second problem is that you resist improvements. Your staff come to you, make suggestions, show unique technologies they found online, and you're asking yourself, well, why do I need to change this? It's always worked this way, and sure, it always has worked that way. The problem is that your competitors are making these changes, they are making these improvements, and they're growing, and your business is stagnating. And the third is documenting knowledge. Your staff have to come and ask you about everything that happens in the business. There's no central place where they can find information. And what you're building there is a job you can't quit, not a business. So here's the truth. These aren't personality flaws. They're system failures, and system failures can be fixed. And here's how. So there are three things you can do to help improve things in your business. The first is to create standard operating procedures, SOPs. And the easiest way to do that is to take a screen recording software, for example, Canva. They have a screen recording option and record exactly the task that you want done by someone else. Let's say, for example, going through all your emails in your inbox on a daily basis and sorting through those. Record the video, hand the video over to them, and let them create the documented version of the SOP. This does two things. It enables you to see if they understood what was being done, as well as making sure you didn't miss any steps during the process. The second thing is start with small changes in your business. Pick one change for the next 30 days and make that change, and then see how that actually improves your business. If it feels uncomfortable, that's good, because people grow in uncomfortable positions, as well as your business. And the third thing is build systems that run without you. This next week, document the top 5 tasks that are recurring and create checklists for them, and then hand that over to people that can do those tasks for you. You should not be working in the business. You should be working on the business. Strategy, not daily operations. So which one of these do you feel you're guilty of? I read every single comment, so please comment below and let me know. And if you need help systematizing your business, please visit bluestreetgroup.com or leave a comment of help in the section below, and I will personally reach out to you. If this was helpful, please subscribe. Next week, I will be breaking down the 3 automations that every SME should have in place in their business. Let's build businesses that work for you and not burn you out. Thanks for watching.